你好. Practice on your intonation. 你好,你好. And then there are some terms for good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. For good morning, you can say 早好. Good morning, 早好,早好,早好. Or you can say 上午好. 上午好 for good morning. And then good afternoon. 下午好. And then good evening. So good evening, 晚上好,晚上好,晚上好. And then good night. 晚安. So let's start from the top. Good morning is 早好. If you can't say 早, you can say 上午好,上午好. And then good afternoon, 下午好,下午好. Good evening, 晚上好,晚上好. Then good night, 晚安,晚安,晚安. When you introduce yourself to somebody, you say, my name is, I'm called, or you can call me. So let's write those options up. And so for I'm, you can say 我是 and fill in your name. So my name is 我的名字是 And then I'm called 我叫 And then you can call me 你可以叫我 etc. So I'm 我是 My name is 我的名字是 I'm called 我叫 And then you can call me 你可以叫我 your name. Okay? After you introduce yourself, you usually want to say, nice to meet you. Here are some ways of saying nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. 很高兴认识你. 很高兴认识你. Or a simpler way of saying it will be 幸会. 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 And you can also say 很高兴 Nice to see you. So it kind of all in similar terms. You can pick and choose, use whichever one you think is easiest for you. You can say 很高兴认识你 or 很高兴见到你 or 幸会. 你好. What's next? 你好吗? 你好吗? That's how are you, right? And the reply is I'm doing great. 我很好. 我很好. The polite thing to say after that would be, and you, right? And you, 你呢? How are you? I'm doing great. And you? 你好吗? 我很好. 你呢? 你好吗? 我很好. 你呢? After all your conversation, you're going to say goodbye. That's a good word to know. Goodbye. So these are just some of the options. There are more, but I just picked these four. Okay, so goodbye is 再见. 再见, and that's included in its meaning, like see you again. So see you in a bit, it's 一会儿见. And 下次见 is see you next time. And then see you tomorrow is 明天见. Goodbye, 再见. See you in a bit, 一会儿见. See you next time, 下次见. See you tomorrow, 明天见. 再见，一会儿见，下次见，明天见. And that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel. Thumbs ups are always welcome. If you have any comments about my videos, please leave them below. And I'll see you next time. 下次见.